Hey y'all, it's your girl Amber and I'm back with another video. It's another day in Jamaica and we are checking in at the hotel today. I'm so excited, so ready to go in the pool, take some pictures, get a lot of content while I'm at the hotel. I'll tell you guys what hotel I'm going to be checking in at when I reach, but we're at a craft market right now where my grandma's located and we're just picking up something quickly. Then we're gonna head over there. Check-in is at 3, but you know you can check in at any time. I hope you guys can hear me because there's like cars passing by. But yeah, this is the fit. Something slight. My hair is not done. I forgot to do my edges. Yeah. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I'm in the check-in area and they gave me some rum punch. So they bring you to like a VIP office if you're an IHG member. And now they're just putting on our wristbands and yeah. It's super shallow. I'm just calling numbers. It's not that I don't know. Hey, we are here. Y'all, look at the view from my room. You can see the pool right there and then the beach all the way up there. Okay, y'all, so I'm all checked in. I got some rum punch, period. Just on the balcony, the view is so nice. I can't wait to take pictures. Content, content, content. All day, every day. I'm going to go warm up some food. So hopefully I find a microwave in the lobby. So that's where I'm going right now.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, I'm walking on the hotel strip. I'm just going to the jerk hut. You already know I need some jerk chicken. Jerk chicken. Alright y'all, updates. I am sipping on some. Alright y'all, updates. I'm just chillaxing. I'm just chillaxing in the lobby, sipping on some mango slush or whatever. I'm about to go eat actually because dinner is served already at 6 and it's like 7 now, but it's not closing until like 10. So I still have time. Today is some type of like karaoke night. Oh, what time does the karaoke night start? Got my dinner. It's karaoke night tonight, so we're walking to the pool area now. See what's going on. And then I'm obviously going to the dance later.
The brothers keep them confused. They don't know who to call. Once upon a time I was falling in love, and now I'm only falling apart.
Oh my My birthday. It's my birthday. Y'all, I'm walking back to the room. I was just hanging out with my cousins because his birthday is actually today too, so we brought it in together. But yeah, guys, I am 22. Period. Like, let me focus on where I am before I get lost. Oh, I need to pee.
I need to give it up. I got to live for icon. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other. You don't need no other.
Let me show you guys my outfit. This is my outfit. I got this bathing suit from Shein. I just did my hair like in a half up, half down. Got my bag. And yeah, time to go downstairs and take some pictures. Hey y'all, I just took some pictures. I'm just walking around now. Well, I want to take some pictures here. Why not? Birthday. Okay. Finding our way around the resort, and we ended up in the fitness room. Yo, look at the cup that my cousin got me. Alright, let's see. Wait, we're gonna go higher? I'm at 0.5 right now. Let's go. Where do we start? It's the green one. Alright, 1, 2. 1. 1. What do you got? Wait, what am I doing? I went to a spa and they had shoes. A spa? Yeah. There was like a whole gym. Not a gym. Shut up. No, there was a gym in the spa and the gym had shoes. Well, that was a flop. The person came in and said that we need shoes, and all of us had on sandals. We wanted to see how fast we could go, like the speed. Okay guys, so my cousins and I were still hanging out in the fitness room until this random man came in there and was giving very much creep vibes, so that was like our cue to just dip out of there because yeah, you already know. I'm not gonna lie, I was gonna say therapy something. What? Wait. Okay, since your reaction to that, let's so you're younger? 27.
No.
Right. 29, 27.
No, we don't even know what that's up. We have about 4. Oh no, you.
115.
Want me to walk across this part of the beach to the other side in this nighttime?
Come on. Wait, cause my pants are.
Wait for me. Hey guys, it's the next day. Don't mind the beds yet. The housekeepers haven't come to my room, but I am changed. So I went to the pool today. Okay, I'm back with another voiceover, and this is just a night party that I went to. It was very fun. Definitely one for the books. Not gonna say too much, but yeah. Okay, so here my cousins and I decided to go on a sailboat. We all checked out at the same hotel, by the way, but this is just us taking some pictures. It was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of us. I think that was like the capacity, not including the lifeguard or whatever. So this is us sailing off now. I wish I like brought my phone on the boat, but actually no, because it would have got wet with the waves and all that stuff. Because we went way out in the ocean. I didn't get any footage of that, but yeah, we went very far. It was scary but fun at the same time. Definitely a good experience.
A few moments later.
We'll get back to you guys and tell you how the food is. The menu is giving very plain.
Oh, let me see that. Let me get the.
They gave us this menu.
She's like, I
Got the crab cake.
Why do they call it a cupcake? That does
Crab.
not look.
Crab. You like crab?
No.
No?
No. I'm itching my
Tell me if it's good.
No.
Is it good?
It's very like fishy.
What is crab cake? Crab? Why they burnt yours? What?
I got my food. I got mussels, scallops, shrimp, mashed potatoes.